The first step is to visit youtube.com, where you may find a variety of videos and find out how to get free PayPal money in 2022 just by watching them. If you want to be eligible to win $10 for each video you watch on YouTube, you must watch at least 30 seconds of it after it has started. Click the sign in button in the top right corner of the screen to access this page first. Create a new YouTube account for yourself if you don't already have one by clicking Create Account and choosing that option. You may create a free Google account and a YouTube account from this page. You'll notice that when you log into your YouTube account, there is a section on the left called the Best of YouTube that lists the most popular videos from each of the following categories: music, sports, gaming, movies, and news. You need to click Gaming, which will direct you to this page under the gaming category. Many of the hundreds of millions of people who watch these gaming videos on YouTube are unaware of the fact that they have the potential to make a ton of free money. Today, though, I'll show you a method that, like the one these guys use to regularly earn $10 for each movie they view, may make you free PayPal money in a matter of minutes. This method of getting free PayPal money is completely legal and cost-free. Every country has access to YouTube, therefore you can utilize it from anywhere in the globe to make free PayPal money. I want you to focus on this kind of video for your first bonus tip because Minecraft is one of the most well-known games that is now popular. A lot of videos on Minecraft gameplay can be seen on this specific page when you click on Minecraft, and one of these live streaming videos is currently playing. Simply selecting one of these live videos is all that is required for the second step. This video will direct you to the website where a live stream is being broadcast if you click on it. As you can see, there is a big market for these films, and there are lots of ways to watch them and get free PayPal money. You can earn 10 times as much money as others if you keep watching, because I'll offer you a bonus tip at the end of this video. Additionally, I'll show you exactly how to leverage this kind of YouTube video to generate a lot of free money in a second. The best thing is that you may apply this tactic frequently to make actual money from a variety of YouTube videos in this area. The second website is where we must go in order to get free PayPal money. As you can see, it's working because individuals are earning $10 for continuously watching movies on this website. You can shorten URLs on our website and earn free PayPal money with them. The concept behind the website, which goes by the name 7r6.com, is pretty simple. You only need to sign up for a free account, and then you must shorten several URL addresses for various YouTube videos. You can get free PayPal money for each and every video you make, and I'll explain how to do it to you in detail shortly. I'll now give you an illustration of how it functions. The share button can be found immediately below this video if you're watching these YouTube videos. The YouTube video link will be copied when you click the copy button. Returning to the website 7r6.com and pasting the URL into this box are the only remaining steps. By pressing this tiny button, this website will help you change the lengthy YouTube URL into a shorter one that pays you each time someone clicks on it. That is precisely how each of these individuals is earning a sizable sum of money from this website. When you reach a certain amount, you can withdraw it using PayPal, Bitcoin, WebMoney, Perfect Money, or Payeer. Please go back to the website's homepage and click the sign up link in the upper right corner as your first step. This will direct you to a page where you may register for a completely new membership that is open to everyone in the world and is free to join up for. After entering your username, email address, and password and checking the boxes next to the terms of use and privacy policy, I need you to click the register button. Your dashboard will seem like this as soon as you register a new account and log in. In the top left-hand corner of the page, select New Shortened Link. To shorten the links to your YouTube videos and make free PayPal money, copy and paste them from there. All that's left to do is go back to your YouTube video, select Share, and copy the URL link. Now go to the Steam community. It is a website where people talk about things related to gaming and streaming. The website gets millions of traffic every day. Now all you need to do is post your shortened link here with an eye-catching title and description, and you are good to go. That's it for today. Please like, share, and subscribe. And press the bell icon for more updates.